Good day investors, welcome to the 13th of May 2015. The trade for today is Coronation Fund of Managers and the code is CML. Last traded price was R90.31. The action on this trade is to do a buy. The objective is to get it at the grey line here at R89 and the green line will be R94.34. That's your target. Stop loss to be used on this trade is R87.22. That's on the red line here. Looking at the current open trades, CFR is opened and ITU is opened. ITU was opened on the 12th of May. These are all the current closed trades. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, you will basically see there's the black line of the index movement of the top 40 shares. The red line is the 10-day moving average and the 20-day moving average is indicated by the blue. As you can see, the red did cross the blue here, so there's identification that momentum can start going a bit downwards. Market's very volatile, and yesterday a bond sale-off happened, but the Americans started to recover from a previous loss of almost 135 points. They recovered to almost 36 points in the negative. So the world markets did react to it. Looking at the Dow Jones, they did come down from their previous high to the green line of 36 points after the bond sell-off, and that had an impact worldwide on all markets. Our markets reacted here most probably after about 1 o'clock to the news, as it came out at 12 o'clock. So basically, as you can see, the Americans are basically on the top still there. Looking at the J200 itself, and it's very important to track this index. Down the top of this 48,100 level, they came a bit down. Now the big question is that the futures are showing a bit of a positiveness opening this morning with the US futures and the European futures, and it's most probably just a small relief after yesterday's fall, but not the big close out of the Americans, where they actually closed mostly flat, then in a very high danger point. Looking at your Bollinger Bands on this, they're testing the Bollinger Bands at the 48,000 level as well in this red negative channel. Let's go to your shares. Shoprite. Shoprite started to find a bit of support here at the bottom, and what you can do right now is I'm just going to extend this now. You can basically see there's a bit of a support level here, 1, 2, 3. The big question now is, will this be now basically a support level in the long term? Now look at this. This is the expectation. There's the bottom and there's the top now after the flag formation in this channel. The big question is, can you break 167 Rand and 5 cents and physically go higher back to the 107? That's the big question on this specific trade. Looking at Willis, similar, went to the previous high in April, and that was close to 92.80, and the share closed here closed in the 93 Rand. So it's on the top here after the downward channel was formed. A little breakup happened and it's on the top. Looking at Mr. Price, still in a downward momentum at this moment. If you call up your Bollinger Bands, still trading between the green, the purple and the downward momentum. Current low to be tested is this one here, as well as this one here, close to the 241 Rand, even if the share is trading at 244, becoming cheaper again at this moment, and investors will track this closely in the short term. Looking at your banking shares, very important to track this now. Doing similar things, testing that previous lows there, those three I've identified, and that lows are close to the 182 levels. Still trading between the green, the purple and downward momentum, but it seems that the shares are getting cheap here at 181 Rand 80 or 182 Rand. Standard Bank. Standard Bank also came down in this downward channel as identified. The current low is about 170 at this moment. Any time for breaks, there's more downside back to the 167 from the current levels of 170. But we need to see if this is the bottom, just for a bit of a relief happening here. Investec. Investec also came down from the previous highs, coming down back to the 110 level, currently trading at the 111.50. So keep a close eye on this one. MTN. Still bouncing here on the 251 level, and need to see if this is going to be a bounce breaking up or bounce coming through the 250 level. Anytime it comes through the 250 level, the share going to start moving back to the 220 level. So this is currently a positive channel between the green and the red. Now if it does break this, and you can actually go and draw this line up so you can actually physically see it in this momentum here. So there's the lows and there's the current highs. Now that's the channel going upwards. Break this, more downside. Keep a close eye on this movement on this specific share as well. The same is happening with Vodacom. Anytime it breaks this 145 or this middle green line, you're going to actually see more downside happening, but the share is still trading from the green and the red in a positive channel. Keep a close eye on this one. Exxaro. Now Exxaro is currently forming this neckline on the head and shoulder pattern. Leg, shoulder, head. There's the neckline on the shoulder. So basically we need to confirm, will you go up, down, break this green and form the pattern, or will just be a type of a sideways pattern trading? We'll track it closely as well. And the last share is called CFR. CFR is currently in the positive channel. At any time, if it breaks this middle 105 rand now, there's the high, there's the low, there's the high. Break this low, next low, back to about 104 rand. If broken, next one under the 100 rand levels again. Enjoy your trading.